What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another one. My name is Bree, and today is going to be more so of a how-to, and it's going to be on how I achieve this look. So this is actually the first time I'm doing this. So we're gonna see how it all turns out together. Okay. So you see, this is still the same bundles I've had, the UNice hair, the 26-inch bundles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Flexi Rods in my hair, and I'm using two different sizes. I'm using these red and yellow ones, and the red ones, of course, are gonna be the ones that I'm gonna place in my back, and the yellow ones are going to be more so for when I put them up at the top, because I kind of want them defined and, a little bit, more heaven up here at the top of my head, if you get what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So in the back of my hair, as you can see, I'm not taking too much of it. And this is going to be not too long of a video because it's like 12 at night and I'm trying to do this so tomorrow morning I'm able to take it out and I can show you guys the results. So yeah, let me go ahead and wrap this thing up. Y'all can see my deodorant, but at least I got on deodorant. Something different that I want to try for myself. So about to get it on. So let me go ahead and take a little piece of my hair, and see, I didn't take too much of it. Just grab like an inch of it, a piece of it. And what I'm gonna do, I have a water bottle, and it has water, and I've also put a little bit of conditioner in here as well because I want it to be a little shiny. I don't want it to be dry. Understand what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and spray this hair out. And you don't want to damp it too much. You don't want it dripping water. You just want it just enough to where you're able to have that volume when you're wrapping your Flexi Rods around. So I'm going to tape this part. I'm going to put it underneath my hair. And you see, I did the long one because I have like 26-inch hair in my head. So I'm going to take it underneath, and see that? And I'm going to twist it around, and I want my curls tight, so I'm going to twist it as close as I can to each other as I'm going around the spiral. So see, yeah, there we go. We getting somewhat. So we're going to keep twisting and twisting. Wait. Yeah. Twisting. And don't twist it flat because you don't want flat curls. I want them spiral. So I'm doing it this way. So the top, I'm going to go ahead and twist it around hair since I'm done with that part. So finish this portion, and I want to make sure this end is wrapped because I do not want straight ends. And once again, my phone is going off. So yeah, just pretty much just twisting it around your hair. Make sure it's secure and it's tight there. You see what I'm saying? Like this little piece right here, that's what's gonna bother me. So let me go ahead and redo. Let me go ahead and brush it first. Make sure you don't have a tangle. Yeah, it's good. Spray it like, I say like 4 times because I don't want it damp. Maybe 5. Let's spray it. So we have that on here. Okay, I lied. Maybe one more because the end is like very dry. So yeah. This side is going to be like, you know, we'll see how it turns out. So you want to fold that part up so that end where that little piece I told y'all that you don't want hanging, you want to make sure you lock that part in. You got to push it up, lock it down, twist it up, and good to go. I'm just going to do the same thing all over my head. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to wrap my front up here, because this is like the main thing, like right here. Because this is where my side part is, and this is where most of my hair falls, and this is the side that's going to give me the look that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck it under like I've been doing. Okay. Putting this last complicated ass Flexi Rod in my head. Oh, it already put a little curl in it. Oh, it's gonna be cute once it dry all out, y'all. What? I already can tell. Yes. So, these Flexi Rods, you can really leave them in your hair for just like a couple of hours. I would say like two. If you really, you know, you're in a rush that day and you're trying to get something done, I would say at least give it between an hour or two in your head. But what I'm gonna do, I'm about to go to sleep, and when I wake up first thing in the morning, I'm gonna take these bad boys out and we're gonna see the final outcome, y'all. I don't know what it's gonna look like, just as much as y'all don't know what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna look at it together. So yeah, but I think I'll be straight. I got this. Just wrap it around, and it's just so much better when you ain't gotta use heat though. Like, my hair is heat damaged. Like, all honestly, my real hair is heat damaged, and as much as I dye it, I don't get my ends trimmed. I don't do nothing with my real hair. Like, I don't treat it like I'm a bad person, y'all. Like, I don't even take care of my real hair. Like, the real deal. Look, I'm gonna cut all my ends off from the start. So yeah. So as you can see, wait, just a little loose back here. But yeah, you see them curls? Like, I'm liking the way it's looking, like with the little spiral looking. Well, like somebody grandma. For real. Alright, y'all. So I'll be back in the morning, and I'm gonna let you guys see the outcome of it. Alright, see you guys later. Until it's the next morning, which is
approximately 10 hours later.
We'll start taking out these Flexi Rods and seeing the outcome. So y'all, if it looks like some bull crap, don't laugh at me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the first. like very tight. Like, y'all see that? Like, let me show you. Y'all see this curl? Like, that's really cute. And then look how long it goes. Get it somewhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and knock the rest of them out. I took off my Flexi Rods and I'm loving the way these curls are looking. Now, all I have to do at this point is really just pull them apart, and I'll just demonstrate. You just want to pull them apart piece by piece, so it will give you, see how I was able to do that? You just want to pull them, space them out so your hair can look full because of the spiral. But I'm actually shocked that I was able to pull this off. I just wish that the front here was a little bit more curly. I swear I thought I did this one tighter, but I'm not sure why. But it still looks good though, it's okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and space these all out so we can see the final results then. Your girl's good to go. Straight, and this is how I went from straight to boom, popping curls like this. Anybody can achieve this look. Just get you a Flexi Rod, I say a spray bottle, and go to work. Alright y'all, if y'all like what y'all see, don't forget to comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel, you guys.